All right, welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby. I am the Money Coach, baby. And today's video is a little different, baby. Told you to move around, get my videos in order. This is about for the entrepreneurs and the content creators, baby. Anybody who's, making videos, doing some of the same similar things that I am doing, and you're posting videos, especially YouTube, baby. You know what I'm saying? And you wonder why some of my video quality starting off new or getting so many views on certain videos at such a very short starting off. One of my tips is Tubebuddy, baby. Tubebuddy. Okay, I use this Tubebuddy. Okay, all right. And I am an affiliate with TubeBuddy. So, but if you use a link, you'll get, what I'm saying, a discount. I might get something, but I'm putting it out there because I use it. I've been using it ever since I've been doing YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So help my videos get up to 1,000 views, baby, from doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? Learning about SEO. You know what I'm saying? Comments, a lot of things that is needed in the YouTube algorithm to help you grow and get some money. Cha-ching, money from YouTube, baby. Okay. So if you're thinking about using YouTube, making videos, getting that money, you're trying to get certified, baby. You trying to get that Google AdSense in there? Go ahead and get with TubeBuddy. It's what your man's, the money coach, uses. And if you don't believe me, I'm gonna go ahead and let one of my peoples go ahead and give you a little intro on TubeBuddy, baby. All right.
Are you looking to start a YouTube channel to earn extra income? Then the Money Coach Teams recommends and uses Tubebuddy for the best resources to get your channel monetized to earn money from Google Ads. Use the link to save on the best tool to get your channel monetized and make money from your videos. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and visit our website to get great entrepreneur information and financial blogs weekly. MoneyTalkShowTV.com. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself.
Okay. Hey, you heard her. So sometimes you don't like listening to me, you like seeing a different face. So therefore, there you go, baby. This is brought to you by the Money Talk Show TV and the Money Coach team, baby. Okay, try to help entrepreneurs and investors and anybody who wants to start and change and help change that wealth gap, baby. Let's get this money. Money Coach out. Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am the Money Coach. I'm an entrepreneur, investor, and motivator, life coach, blogger, dad, father, husband, ex-worker, ex-corporate American worker. They fired me from a job. Okay, get back on track. I created this channel and website, moneytalkshowtv.com, to help and motivate and encourage investors. So, if you're into making YouTube videos, sitting at home wondering why my YouTube videos ain't getting no views, only 5 views, no comments, man, have you ever heard of SEO? You ever heard of that? Tracking? Come on, baby. Well, if you're into the stock market game or the YouTube content creating game, you're on YouTube, you're doing videos, you might want to invest in yourself and learn. Learn why. Learn about Google AdSense, and everything. So one of the things I use is this TubeBuddy. Okay, I use TubeBuddy, baby. Okay, TubeBuddy helps me out, lets me know what's working for me, what's tracking. I use it, the Keyword Explorer. Man, the Keyword Explorer helps me out. Let you know what's popular. You can come up with contents and what's trending topics right then and there on YouTube and Google. So right then and there, you said find a trending topic. You're making YouTube videos. Go ahead and bust you out one real quick. Bam, you might get a lot of views. I happen, caught the wave. You know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to do my own thing and ride the wave when I want to ride the wave. But if you're thinking about investing in yourself and making YouTube videos better, more views, more likes, baby, you're trying to get that Google AdSense, go ahead and use TubeBuddy.